excuse my like towel ensemble, but because I just got out of the shower, but I woke up, looked out the window. Oh my god, I can't. There it is. There it is. Yeah, there's a good inch to 3 down there. It's still snowing like a lot. So really happy about that actually. It only snowed like once around here. It literally was like a dusting and then it just disappeared. So this is pretty cool. Really happy about this. And thank God I don't have to drive to my boyfriend's tomorrow on this. He's coming over, so Steph's gonna get him because he doesn't have a car. He has a license, but he doesn't have a car. So, yeah. So me and my mom are about to see Frozen right now, and I'm pretty excited. First one's here. So we're in Target right now. I want snowflake sheets. Oh, sweater pillow. I'm looking for some sale candy. My mom sent me on a mission. What should I get? Kind of feeling Snickers. This is $2.89 on sale. I don't know. I'm just gonna assume it is. It's disastrous. Looks so cool. Oh my god. What? It's like focused on the raindrops. It looks so cool. Well, not raindrops, it's like melting snow. I'll take a picture. Mojo!
This blonde chick doesn't. Oh god, everybody here's blonde. Oh my god, I'm the only Asian. You're on it.
Obviously.
Racist?
Sorry. Mojo, get the snow. Get the snow. Get it. Get the snow! Get the snow! He's so cute.
Alright, just honestly tell me. Do you like the full
Mom, throw snow on him. So I got my first peppermint hot chocolate of the season. So good, and I do not know why I waited so long because I was so messing up. Okay, so I'm to Target. I'm gonna do a little haul for y'all. I'm gonna do homework, but first I might get Christmas stuff together. I got candy canes for all my friends. I'm gonna give them one like attached to their card because I'm gonna give every one of my friends a card. And then the rest of my Secret Santa present, I didn't know if she liked fruity or mint gum, so I got one of each. I also got candy cane gum because I saw it and was like, wow, I need that in my life. I got this nail polish that's gold, and I don't think I have a gold nail polish, and it was 74 cents, so that was a plus. And then I got new mascara because mine is poopy, so I got the Big Eyes mascara, and I like the Falsies series, so I thought it was a good purchase. And then I also got, it's in my wallet because the guy that checked me out at Target, that sounded really wrong. The guy, the register I went to at Target, it's like my favorite guy ever, like he's so cool. And so, yeah, he gave me the gift cards to keep my wallet so I wouldn't lose them. Got an iTunes gift card for my boyfriend. And then I got two $10 gift cards to Target, once for my cousin and once for my Secret Santa. So, I got my Secret Santa done, I just have to wrap it. My cousin done, my other cousin done. My Grandma DeRoche's done, just have to wrap that. My grandpa, my mom's gonna go get something at Meijer probably for him. I don't have to worry about that for a while though. My boyfriend's like halfway done. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna put some stuff together for Christmas. Hey, Nick. So did you kiss your girlfriend or not?
Yes, he did.
Did I?
Did he?
Yes, he did. Did he? Did you?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, what?
Courtney, did you get you go, girl? I was like, I was like, whoa.
What?
Song is gonna cry.
Mojo! Do you see those Christmas cards in that Christmas basket thing under your bed?
They're big box in my bed, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do Kelly collections and then doing Christmas stuff. Yeah. Love this song. Burning one of my new candles, fresh smoking. Smells really nice. And I'm looking for a Christmas bag because I save a bunch of bags from stores and previous, and I'm just gonna rebag. So I thought there was nothing wrong with that, right? So I found a Christmas one. Isn't this adorable? I put my cousin's nail polish in a little box. I'm probably gonna wrap that later, but I got my Secret Santa's gift wrapped and my grandma's gift wrapped, and I got all of my friends' cards and candy canes on them, so that's cool. So you know what I just realized? I didn't tell you my reaction to Frozen yet. Definitely the cutest movie I have ever seen. Probably my favorite now. I cried approximately 3 times, and yeah, it was adorable, and if you didn't see it yet, you really need to go see it right now, okay? So cute. But, update, I just made myself a grilled cheese. Yep, I make grilled cheese now. It's my new addition to my, what I can make. Grilled cheese, macaroni, and cheese, toast, pancakes, waffles, ramen noodles. What? There's someone snow blowing my sidewalk. Thanks, but I don't know who you are. But another update, it's still snowing like crazy outside, and now there's 2 people snow blowing my sidewalk. Okay, so I have to leave for work like 10 minutes early because I'll show you. Because I'm about to venture out to work. My work's like literally 5 minutes away, but I'm about to venture out there into this, so wish me luck. I started my car and I'm pretty sure I scared the crap out of children outside. So there's that. They were like standing outside my house for some reason, and I heard one say, "Holy crap!" But yeah, I got my car running, and now I'm gonna clean up my mess from the grilled cheese I made, and then I'm gonna go to work. So update it. I made it to work safe, barely. Just kidding. I only slipped a little bit when I turned into the turning lane to turn into my parking lot for my work. I think this is a spot, but I'm not really sure. My friend who's been here an hour already has that much snow in her car. So after work, I'm not looking forward to wiping off my car. I didn't get my back window enough, but I figured it's not that big of a deal. I mean, I have my rear views. I can see like if someone's behind me. I saw some guy slipping, and I was like, "Are you idiot?" Like, he kept slipping, and he was like 20, I'd say like 100 feet down the road from me, and he was like slipping back and forth, and like, learn how to freaking drive in the snow. So I like slowed down, and I was literally going like 10 miles per hour, because I didn't know if they were going to be still slipping when they passed me, but they weren't. They were going straight, but that made me nervous, and I hate driving in the snow. This is like the first real time I've drove in like heavy snow. Like, I drove in snow a couple times. Actually, this is like the second time I'm driving in heavy snow, and I've had my license since May of 2012. First, when I had my permit in 2011, it didn't snow at all. And then last winter it did snow, but I never went out. but this time I have to. And my mom wasn't home, so it's not like she could drive me to work or anything. So yeah, but I'm really early right now. So update, I come out of work and my car is full of snow and it's still snowing. So there's that.